It's
Carla.
raining outside. I think we need to be inside of a Sephora. Let's go shopping.
Let us guide you.
Your type A and type B friend.
I'm a Virgo rising.
Type A. Please put some respect on Sephora Collection's name.
She really is that girl.
She's the underdog. I can't even tell you guys how many sharpeners I've bought. I have their tweezers. Their tweezers amazing. But the one thing I need from them right now specifically, number 71. I don't know if it'll... So this brush right here is kind of like a fingertip. Perfect for your under eye concealers. Don't underestimate the power of SC, honey.
Love this Patrick Ta foundation. The blushes. This new shade, I don't have it and I need it.
What's
Look at
the name
that
of
red.
it?
She's wanted. I'm wanted.
Why didn't he just name it Natasha? Our people will reach out to your people. It's meant for you.
Meant to be, meant
She's
for me.
literally wanted. One thing I swear by, and I will die in this product, this foundation, ever since it came out, literally the most beautiful finish to your
wearing it
skin.
right now?
I am. This is an everyday thing. I don't play. LG herself knows that I wear this specific shade. I was like, girl.
She put that in there.
So Stephanie, Lady Gaga, you did that, girl. We're on a first name basis.
Sol de Janeiro, these fragrances are so good. Not only are they the cutest, travel friendly little companions. 87, I haven't smelled her. Okay. Rewire your brain. This line is so good for layering any fragrance. So think of this as your base layer number one.
Yeah, add that to cart. You're literally one of the best smelling people I know, and I don't know how you get things to just stick to you. Like,
honestly, I get that from my mom and my mamita. Like, they were fragrance girls before I could even spell fragrance. Replica Maison Margiela. So beautiful and delicious. I love to pair the Sol de Janeiro with one of these. Beach Walk. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? She's so good.
yeah.
It's raining outside, but this, if I close my eyes,
Brings you back to the sandy shores.
we are at a beach.
If you just want your significant other to smell
Which one are you gonna do?
so good, I'm telling you.
Yes!
Paco Rabanne. I don't know if y'all are on game. Myself by YSL. Oh, honey. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. It just, sorry, clearly does a thing to me. What does your man wear, Natasha?
He wears this one. He loves this
Yes,
one so
Paco Rabanne.
much. Carolina Herrera has...
Oh, Bad Boy. Yes,
it's
the Thunderbolt.
so good.
That's so cute.
Okay.
Sephora collection again, I'm telling you, like, it's a lawless land, ladies and gents. I was introduced to this lip liner. It is my favorite thing.
So pretty.
And she's smooth, she's glidey. Color I want to try also is Honey Rose.
Oh, pretty.
But still nude.
Have you tried cinnamon?
No.
Try cinnamon.
Let
It's more
me
of like a terracotta, but it's so beautiful and like warm.
I'm gonna tell you right now that this might not work for me.
Oh, wait.
Just because she's a little... Yes, I love it so much. Put those in there.
I'm always out of these lip masks. They're so good. I love the cherry one, cherry vanilla. And then Sweet Dreams. This one I always put like on my nightstand before I go to bed.
Again, you got the last one.
Rare Beauty.
Rare
I have
Beauty.
been seeing these contours everywhere. I need it.
I'm gonna
Look at
try
this.
one.
Dot blend done. Really excited to try it. Gorge. And just like those sitting on your vanity, please. Where do you want to go next, Carla?
I heard that the Fairy Duster dry shampoo from Day is really, really good. Also, it smells amazing because we've seen it.
Do that again.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
This little Briogeo puff is also so good.
Yeah,
The Day is, and then the Briogeo was a.
love that. We like a and a.
What's great about it is that it's in a universal shade and a dark brown.
Stop it right
yeah.
now.
So let me add it to the bag for you.
Yeah, just add it to the bag. Do I take out Day?
No, try both. They're different.
Okay, yeah, totally.
Why would you have to limit yourself?
This is the type of friend you need to shop with.
Skincare. The thing that I go to the most that I recommend to literally every single person, Skin Fix. I've gone through at least 3 bottles. This triple lipid peptide cream. And then now they have this new one that is called Intensive Repair Balm. I use this right here and under my like crow's feet.
You're waiting in line, you're like, doo-dee-doo-dee, I did all my, oh, excuse me, I didn't know that I needed
And then you add to
a
that.
new nude beauty blender.
Yeah.
100%. What, a mini setting powder? Yeah, I travel a lot.
Why wouldn't you need a small Charlotte Tilbury setting powder?
Why wouldn't you?
Why wouldn't you need this one? Of course I'm gonna add it.
Throw it in the bag.
The face masks. These are so fun to have on hand and just like in your fridge. Give them to friends whenever they're
so
over.
good. This wax stick from Briogeo. It's a plum oil sleek stick.
It's
Keep it
good for
nice.
flyaways.
Flyaways, all the gorgeous things.
There you go. I think we did it all, Carla.
I think we did it all, Natasha. Do you feel like you got everything you needed?
I think I have all the essentials.
Okay, gorgeous. Thank you so much. Since you're buying, I'll meet you in the car.
Oh. More rewards for me.